on YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today you join me at Automotive where we're going to be doing a few things to my M4. So for starters, we're going to be servicing it. We're going to change filter, oil and spark plugs. Secondly, we're going to move on to removing the Armytrix exhaust system, which I'm going to explain why I'm doing this in a second. And then thirdly, we're going to be installing some springs, which I've been a little bit against doing in the past. I have been told on a few occasions that there is no benefit to installing the springs because of the power of the M4. It probably only encourage more wheel spin. So guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in a sec.
What's going on, Ricky? You right?
Yeah, super tech. Evolve.
We're Evolve Automotive. We're a UK-based company in Luton. Mainly deal with BMWs with a lot of tuning stuff. So it's all high performance, like your M3s, M4s, M2s, wide range of even the diesel cars as well. We also do tuning outside the country as well, like America.
You've even been defending the brand, man.
Yeah.
What's up with the nose?
Yeah, so
rival.
Four guys, man. Four guys. Yeah? Nah, I'm joking. It won't. Believe it or not.
You're a boxer, innit?
Yeah, I do boxing. Yeah.
Well, don't try nothing around here, man.
Amateur boxer. part-time mechanic, full-time boxer, you know. Yeah. We've got your stock exhaust, so we're going to refit that. I think you were saying you want to do a few track days, right?
Yeah, so guys, the reason I'm going to be removing the Armytrix is because the Armytrix is way too loud, so I don't actually know what the decibel limit is on it. But yeah, we need to get the stock system on, and hopefully we're still going to be keeping the VSRF downpipes on, so they're decatted. And yeah, this should hopefully enable me to do some track days.
And then we'll do a bit of engine maintenance as well. We're going to do the oil and filter change with the Castrol Edge and the genuine BMW filter.
Right.
We're also going to go with the NGK spark plug, which are one step colder.
Yeah.
We spoke to Peter from Pure Turbos earlier, and he said to gap them to 0.22, which is generally what we do, 0.20, 0.22. So we're just going to do that. Cool. And then we've got the MSS suspension as well. With the MSS kit, you take off the original spring and you sleeve over the adjuster and then the MSS spring, and then you've got the beauty of adjusting the height, but you keep your electronic damping. Lowering springs normally make the ride a little bit harsher because you've got a lot shorter spring, so there's a lot less travel and stuff like that. But with the MSS kit, we've noticed, we've run them on a few of our cars, the F90, the F80, and we've noticed that they're a very good kit.
And this is what Imran runs on the F90, and does he run it on the M3 as well?
Yeah, on the M3 and then on the F90 as well. We are going to do your air filters, but we're going to give you an Eventuri kit instead.
Woohoo!
So a little bit of an upgrade from a
we were supposed to do this a little while back, weren't we? So we're going to put them on today, yeah?
I think Imran's been teasing you with it for a while.
Yes!
So, yeah, we've actually got the kit.
Where are they at, bro?
This kit is actually slightly different to the other kit. This is like a pre-release kit, so this has got a closed duct. And basically what that does is it restricts the heat soak when you're sitting on idle and in traffic.
Sweet.
I'll get Bill to come speak to you and he can explain
we're going to a bit more.
Because he's the technical guy and he's designed it and he knows what he's doing.
Okay.
So I'll get him to do that.
Cool, man. Let's do it.
Yeah, cool.
Sweet. Guys, got some bad news. Aston, you want to break it to everyone?
Yeah, so we tried looking for the locking wheel nut key to take the wheels off to do the suspension, and we can't find the locking wheel nut key. So I don't think we're going to be able to do the MSS today, unfortunately.
Ricky's moving slack today, trust me. I don't know why that isn't in the car. So here we've got Bilal, the founder of Eventuri. He's going to just go over the fine details of the system we're going to install.
So here we have the ducts for the F80 intake. On the left is the original duct we use at the moment, which is half open, so your Venturi housing sits in here. This is up against the wheel arch, and the back of it connects to the stock duct. It works really well. We've had these out for a couple of years now, and they do the job. But when we released the M2 competition intake, because in the M2 we couldn't put scoops in, so we couldn't use this semi-open system. So we then designed a sealed duct. As you can see the difference. This is open at the top, this is closed. So now your housing sits here, but it's completely closed off. So that's up against the wheel arch. This is now just on the M2 competition, just pulling air in from the duct.
Okay. Any benefits? You say there's less heat soaking,
well,
possibly?
Because you've got two big scoops in the front. When the car's in motion, cold air is being forced into that area anyway. the only real benefit we can see is if you're doing a drag race maybe and you're stopped at lights and you've got some heat build up. So that initial takeoff, you may pull in a little bit of hot air, but then as soon as you move, that cold air gets forced straight in. So this now being closed will, give you that slight difference.
Give you the edge, That's a beautiful design as well for anyone that ain't seen it, man. Full carbon fibre?
Full carbon fibre, pre-preg, or dry, people like to say it. So there's no fiberglass being used there.
Aston, what you say, man? Little update, mate?
Yeah, just we've done the intakes. They're fitted.
Okay.
We've done the oil, spark plugs. We've done the oil filter, which we'll put the oil in. And then we're removing all the wiring now for the Armytrix controls.
Is it the vacuum system that
Yeah, so it's the wiring for the vacuum system and the vac lines for the vacuum system.
One more benefit to having this taken off is I'm actually going to have to start my car at night now, so hopefully the neighbours ain't going to be as pissed off. Some of you in the comment section are probably so happy that it's coming off as well, to be fair. So what are you doing now, Aston?
Just swapping the rubbers over from the Armytrix over to the stock one.
Okay.
It reuses the original BMW hangers, so we're just swapping them over.
You could never hit me, bro. Trust me.
Could or would?
Couldn't. The guard's too tight. Aston's going to do some boxing now. Aston, come, man. Do something for the camera, bro. Hash. I know Hash has got something.
Around here it's all black.
Bit racist, Aston. One thing I keep forgetting to mention to you lot as well is there's been like a little blow in my exhaust. Aston has found possibly the reason.
Yeah, so
one
your
of the gaskets, yeah?
Your gaskets from the downpipes to the exhaust is a bit broken away. Look, you see it's all like, it's basically just coming off in flakes.
Right.
So that could be, if you got a bit of a blow coming, it could be through there. So we just put new gaskets on just to seal it up.
Okay.
Basically, we put these on, they kind of take the shape of the exhaust and then they crush.
Alright.
And they go into like a more domed shape rather than flat with a little bit of a lip on it.
Yeah.
So we'll put the new ones on and hopefully that will stop it from blowing. You should notice a difference.
Sweet, mate.
Yeah, man, finished.
Man, guys, you need to check out these Eventuri. They look beautiful. Imran, love for sorting it out as well. Thank you so much. So yeah, car's all cleaned up, serviced.
Yeah,
everything's done.
Good to go. So yeah, the Eventuris look amazing.
Man.
The carbon just brings a lot of life to the engine bay, which makes a big difference. You need to sweet talk Imran on the engine cover now. We've got the Eventuris in for you. We've done your oil and filter change. We've done your cold step spark plugs with a 0.022 gap.
Yeah.
We stuck your stock exhaust back on. Took all the Armytrix valve controls out and then from that all the way back to the stock valves. So it's all as normal from the cat's back.
Yeah.
And yeah, so you're good to go, man. Hopefully it's good for the track.
Man. Listen, man, thank you so much.
No worries at all, man.
And once again, do you want to plug where Evolve is?
Yeah, so Evolve Automotive, we're in Sunderland Park in Luton. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all under Evolve Automotive. Give us a like, give us a follow, subscribe to our channel, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.
Cool, man. So guys, yeah, we'll probably hop in the car now, and I want to see if there's any kind of different sounds with these Eventuris, and also the Armytrix have been taken off, so I want to see just the sound levels different. So yeah, we'll jump in the car. Have a little listen to this exhaust. Still sounds crazy, to be honest. Seems to be revving up a bit more freely. I'm not too sure if I'm just tripping out. One annoying thing about the Armytrix was any setting you pull it in, as soon as you got past 3,500 RPM, it always permanently opened. So now, inefficient with the stock system, it's permanently closed no matter what. So we put it into sport. There you go, you've got the exhaust rumbling now. The pops and bangs ain't everyone's sort of cup of tea, but yeah, I like it. Just makes the M4 a bit more fun. S55s, they're definitely a bit of a docile engine. Hey, that sounds sick. Let's go second gear.
And you can see the clocks.
Okay, so there you go. It spun through third then, for the first time in how long? I mean, could it really have been that gasket? Yeah, guys, I think it does feel a little bit quicker. It feels like it's got that edge back. Like, it's always still felt quick, but I think it's got the edge. Guys, I'm going to end it there because we've probably got about 30 seconds left. So as always, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll 100% have a massive update on obviously getting the springs put on and, you know, what it's like around town with the new sound, new exhaust, track days, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, see you later. Bye.